Good afternoon. Our first full week of February has certainly been action-packed in terms of weather. For some of us, we had some snow, albeit fairly isolated, but it did cause some disruption last week. We've also seen some widespread heavy rain, and once again, we've had some localised flooding. But I'm pleased to say this weekend has started on a pretty quiet note. We've even seen some glimpses of sunshine. Now, through the week ahead, unfortunately, it's going to turn increasingly unsettled again. The showers will turn to longer spells of rain. It's going to be breezy at times, but it will turn increasingly mild, particularly through the middle part of the week. For the here and now, we're under this influence of low pressure, and this weather front has brought some rain, some of it heavy through the night. It's now easing away, but it's just lingering across northeast England and perhaps eastern Scotland. Behind it, some sunny spells, and you can see the scattered showers pushing in from the west. So it's a case of sunny spells and showers for the remainder of the afternoon, and temperatures around 6 to 11 degrees, so a milder afternoon for much of Scotland now. Through the evening and overnight, we continue to see some clear spells, but still a rash of showers coming in from the west. And so temperatures are likely to fall away under those clearing skies. It'll be a chilly start actually to Monday morning, low single figures, and where in rural parts we could see temperatures just below freezing with those showers, there could be some icy stretches around first thing. But it'll be a pleasant enough start with that sunshine coming through. You can almost taste that spring is just around the corner. Closest to the low, however, we continue to see some showers in the northwest of Scotland, wintry to higher ground, and into Northern Ireland. Here, 7 or 8 degrees, but highest values further south of around 10 Celsius. Now, Tuesday will start off quiet with this little bump, this ridge of high pressure keeping things fine. But this weather front in the southwest is starting to approach, and that's going to spill in quite a lot of cloud through the morning. So after a bright start, clouding over, eventually seeing some rain as well into southwest England, South Wales, and perhaps as far north as the Lake District by the end of the afternoon. So a change is coming, 7 to 11 degrees by Tuesday afternoon. Then that frontal system continues to push its way steadily northwards, and this is when we'll start to see those showers merging together for longer spells of rain through the day. But look at this, the wind direction swings to a southwesterly, once again pushing this milder air right across the country. So there'll be a spell of heavy rain moving into Scotland, maybe a spell of heavier rain across the Channel coast up into the South Midlands by the afternoon. But look at the temperatures. 14 degrees is way above where we should be really for this time of year. It'll be a very similar story as we move into Thursday. One front easing away, another front pushing in, and this one may linger across the southwest. So there's going to be the chance of some persistent rain across southwest England, Wales, up into the Midlands, over into Northern Ireland. Perhaps the driest of the weather on Thursday is likely to be across Scotland. And again, still very mild for this stage of February, 7 to 14 degrees the high. We could all do with a brief respite, couldn't we really? Well, there is the potential Friday into Saturday of seeing an area of high pressure building. It's not going to last. This next weather front waiting in the wings, but if you can, enjoy Friday's weather and hopefully, fingers crossed, a drier, brighter, more spring-like start to next weekend. Enjoy your week. Bye-bye.